Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install the world editor and match the game build, and organize assets into clear folders so you won't waste time later. Next, collect textures, doodads, unit models, and sound files and label them by function. Once done, sketch the map size, player count, and training mechanics. This plan drives decisions. Make sure to set simple milestones, prototype layout, core triggers, and a playable loop. These first steps get you into creating immediately. Now build the core. Block out terrain and sightlines using height and multiple texture layers to guide movement and pacing. Then script triggers for spawns, scoring, AI routines, and UI feedback so training reacts to the player. Once triggers work, create modular training stations that increase difficulty in steps and allow isolated testing. Make sure to iterate. Test a station, tweak timing or damage values, and then expand. This middle phase is where polish and gameplay depth form. Finish by balancing values, damage, spawn rates, timers, using repeatable playtests and logging each change so you can revert if needed. Then optimize performance. Remove unused assets, adjust level of detail, and run FPS tests across expected hardware. Once stable, package the map, write a concise changelog, and deploy to your audience. If things go wrong, check the map list for missing custom assets first. Missing files cause most crashes, so confirm paths and rebuild the MPQ or archive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.